Most people get this wrong when cashing out their Ibotta earnings. They assume the money appears in PayPal instantly, and when it doesn't, they think something went wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. The Ibotta PayPal cash-out process is usually straightforward, but there are a few important steps and requirements you need to understand before withdrawing your cashback. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Ibotta PayPal cash-outs work in 2026, what you need before withdrawing, common mistakes to avoid, and how to make sure your rewards reach your PayPal account successfully. Let's get straight into it. First, you need an active Ibotta account with enough available cashback to meet the platform's current withdrawal requirements. You also need a valid PayPal account that can receive payments. Once you've earned eligible cashback, open the Ibotta app and go to the section where rewards and withdrawals are managed. There, you'll typically see available redemption options, including PayPal, if it's supported for your account. Select PayPal as your preferred withdrawal method, and follow the instructions shown on the screen. In many cases, you'll need to connect or verify your PayPal account information before completing the transaction. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users think all cashback becomes available immediately after shopping. But that's not always how it works. Some purchases may require verification or processing before the cashback moves into your withdrawable balance. If your available balance seems lower than expected, pending rewards may still be processing. For example, Alex completed a qualifying purchase and expected to cash out the same day. However, part of his cashback was still pending verification. Once the transaction finished processing, the funds became available for withdrawal. But here's the problem. Most people skip checking their account details before requesting a cash out. This is where most people fail. A small mistake in account information can delay the withdrawal process. Before submitting a cash out request, verify that your PayPal account information matches the details required by the platform. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid withdrawal issues. After submitting your request, monitor both your Ibotta account and your PayPal account for updates. Processing times can vary, so don't assume there's a problem if the funds don't appear immediately. Now here's where it gets even more important. Always review any notifications, emails, or messages from Ibotta regarding your withdrawal. If additional verification is needed, responding quickly can help prevent delays. John successfully cashed out several times because he always checked his account details before submitting requests. That simple habit helped him avoid the most common cash-out problems. Let's quickly recap. Earn eligible cashback. Make sure it has moved into your available balance. Connect or verify your PayPal account. Submit your withdrawal request, and monitor the transaction until it's completed. That's exactly how Ibotta PayPal cashouts work in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more cashback app tutorials and money-saving tips, and let us know in the comments if you've ever used PayPal to cash out your Ibotta rewards.